Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and this is how to fix a punched wall. If you have someone that's punched a wall, don't worry, it's a very simple fix, but it will take a little bit of time to do. For this job, you will need a sawzall or a keyhole saw, a drill with the number 2 Phillips bit, 2 small pieces of wood, and some screws. First thing we want to do is take our scrap piece of drywall, put it over our hole, and go ahead and trace around it so we know what we can cut out, so that way we have some nice straight angles. Next, we're going to take our saw and cut out on our markings. After that's done, we're going to take our screws and our drill, and we're going to put a couple across the bottom. Then we're going to take one of our scrap pieces of wood, set it on the inside, and hold it there, and then you're going to screw the screws into it to hold it into place. Now you want to countersink the screws a little bit, that way when you mud it, they won't be sticking out of the wall. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the top. After that's done, we're going to take our scrap piece of drywall, put it into our cutout, and go ahead and screw it into place. Now we're going to take our seaming tape and go ahead and tape all our seams. After that's done, we're going to take our trowel and our drywall mud, mix it up a little bit, make sure there aren't any clumps in there. Then we're going to get some on the front of it and go ahead and mud our seam. After all of it's taped, we're going to take some more mud and go ahead and cover the entire section. Then you'll go ahead and let that dry, come back, scrape it with your trowel, and give it another coat. Now fixing a punched hole in the wall does take a little bit of time, but it is fairly inexpensive and easy to do. And it could also save you some loss of deposit, especially in those rental houses. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.